I discovered Allen's factory outlet online for several reasons. Cost, ease of design, customer service, the prompt responses to my questions. Here's what we came up with. This is the loafing shed. I'm Jennifer Steiger. My husband and I moved out here about a year and a half ago, and everything you see here was not here when we moved out here. I purchased actually a garage from Allen's factory outlet and made modifications myself to make it a loafing shed for the animals. So they were very helpful with that, helped me with any design I needed. I would like to add a 10-foot gate so that if I needed to lock one of the animals in temporarily, I'd be able to do that. The loafing shed has improved our lives considerably in adding value to our property. It has provided a sense of peace of mind for me, and that's all I need when my animals are out here and I'm not able to be here. Basically, it has done what it was put here to do, and that is to protect the horses and donkeys from the elements, including sun, thunderstorms, winds. We get a lot of winds, especially in the winter out of the north. It's been a lifesaver for us. So I highly recommend anybody to go use Allen's because the ease of the process was incredible. And the cost was incredible as well.